Good morning, caminantes. Day 7, last day to San Pedro. I'm gonna walk a little and ride a little on a launch. So, and then if I can keep from getting hit by this motorcycle, hey, and waiting that rabies shot. I'm gonna wait in San Pedro for that. The launch is like 20 minutes there and back, or there, and they go every hour or so. So if they call me in San Pedro, I can run down to the docks and catch a launch for like $1 back here to Panajachel. So that is my plan, because I don't know if the vaccine will be here today or tomorrow, but I'll find out. I'll just sit and wait in San Pedro, and I know I have a really nice, hopefully, accommodation there. I'll show it to you when I get there. Let me see. I'm sitting at Cafe Zutu Hill. I was going to go to Cafe Outlet Lawn because I know some people there. I stayed with them 8 years ago. And I texted Edwin at the Casa Alejandra, where my accommodation is. And he's going to meet me at 12:30, and it's currently 15 to 9. So here's a view from Cafe Outlet Lawn. I stayed with them 8 years ago for a couple of months. They were in a different location, but this is really cool. We got the little logo there. I'm gonna probably be eating here most of the time, I'm hoping. And Coffee Outlet Lawn. I ordered that on Amazon, actually. During my Spanish school, it's actually right there. Got a little stuff on the wall here. There's Cooperativa. Okay, a little update. I'm pretty happy. I actually talked to the Spanish instructor at Cooperativa Spanish School, and he recommended I try the clinic here to see if they had a vaccine for rabies. They did. So I got to get 4 shots in 2 weeks for the next 2 weeks, and it's free. And they gave me antibiotics and everything. I couldn't believe it. So happy. So I got my first one today, and I go back Friday, and then a few days after that, and up to the 15th of August, and then I'm done. So, yeehaw! And I might add, it was a comfort. It was a comfort knowing that you were all praying for me. So thank you very, very, very much. outside kitchen. Outside kitchen is here. Got a sink, got a little stove, got some water, coffee maker, filters. Can make pasta there. Refrigerator, and actually it works well. I just opened it up. So, and all the pots and pans I could possibly need.